Hello, Namaste. Welcome to Sangeeta's Food Paradise. You are the creator of your passion and purpose. You create them by following your curiosity, by trying new things, by discovering new possibilities. You create them by listening to your heart, by expressing yourself, by making a difference in the world. That's what I did when I found my passion for cooking and sharing it with the world. I started a cooking channel called Sangeeta's Food Paradise where I showed you how to make simple, delicious, quick, easy, healthy and tasty recipes from different regions of the world. I invite you to join me on this journey of cooking, exploration, and enjoyment. Together, we can create our passion and purpose. If you love this video, if you liked this video, do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you so much.